No, it doesn't matter. Okay? Yeah, no. It doesn't mean that you have to stand up right now. No. Save your energy, you know, because it's just an appetizer. No. The main course starts at 8, please. To empty your stomach. So, this is just kind of like an appetizer. So, the last song of the soundcheck event. Let's go right then.